Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin.
Last night, the grand finale of Ginoong Pilipinas 2024 concluded with the crowning of the new kings who are set to represent the pinnacle of Filipino male pageantry. And the event was a night to remember, filled with excitement, elegance, and exceptional talent. The grand winner of Ginoong Pilipinas 2024 is Bohol, Carl Michael Ladaga Martinez. Carl Michael Ladaga Martinez from Bohol emerged as the grand winner, captivating the judges and audience alike with his charisma, intelligence, and undeniable stage presence. Throughout the competition, Carl showcased not only his striking physical attributes, but also his deep understanding of various social issues, which he eloquently addressed during the Q&A segment, and his advocacy for mental health awareness resonated with many, highlighting his commitment to using his platform for positive change. Carl's victory is a testament to his hard work, dedication, and the support of his fans from Bohol and beyond. The Ginoong Pilipinas 2024 pageant celebrated the essence of Filipino masculinity, emphasizing not just physical attributes but also intelligence, advocacy, and character. And the new kings, Carl Michael Ladago Martinez, Ryan James Elegado Valdez, and Mark Joseph Cruz are set to inspire and lead, embodying the true spirit of Ginoong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!